Hi guys, I want to share something with you today. I'm going to talk about my students' art portfolio. Art portfolio is created to showcase the art, the artworks that the student has done, the expression, what are the kind of mediums that we use. Now let me tell you and show you the portfolio. So we have graphite, like I said, we have graphite. You can see landscape here, birds. So we have graphite, we have charcoal, like I said. Yeah, I'm going to flip it over quickly for you. Now it is very important to understand how the basics of the art or the fundamentals of the art works. Even though if you have tried, you have understood the medium, it is very important how to know where to apply, how to apply, what are the mediums, what are the tools that you need. So in detail, if you want to learn, then this is the course for you. Now I have to tell you, our student who just finished this a week back has already started getting commission artwork. I am so proud. So go through the details mentioned in the website or give us a call, or yes, you can definitely come visit us. We are open from 11 to 7 Monday to Sunday. I will see you there. Have fun.